So here's a tutorial on how to loop animations in After Effects. So let's say you have this animation that you want to have like an infinite, or have it loop like on infinite amount of times. So what you could do is just to take these keys and just keep on, pasting them or duplicating them after each other. But that's not really a good way of doing it. There's a much more efficient way of doing it. And that's to add like a loop expression on it. So let's say for like this animation, I only have animation on the Y position and the scale property, right? So you can, if we go in ahead and activate the expression window, so you do that by Alt and click on this little icon, and you'll get the expression window and a lot of like other smaller things. Here you'll find a menu in which you can find a lot of things for like pre-written kind of expressions. Here you will find something called property, and in here you'll find something called loop out. Press that one, and what that will do is it will look at the last keyframe and start over from the first keyframe. So if we play this now, you'll see that on the Y position it's looping, and it will keep on looping to infinity, right? So what you want to do now is just do the exact same thing on the scale property. So you just all click on this little icon, click on the menu, property, and loop out. So if we just play this, you'll see that it will just keep on looping. Yeah, great.